Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial and rational functions. Let's solve it together. A polynomial function p of x is given by p of x equals x times x plus 1 times x minus 4. What are all intervals on which p of x is greater than 0? So in this case, we're talking about, again, polynomial functions. We will need to find their roots. And also, these are the factors. How do we find the factors? These are factors. There are 3 factors. How can I find the factors? By making them each equal 0. X equals 0 gives you the x equals 0, it's by itself. X plus 1, if you will make it equal 0, x will be equals negative 1. X minus 4 equals 0. The x will be equals 4. So there are 3 factors. three roots of the polynomial function. Let's put them in order. Negative 1, 0, and 4. So we will use some test points. So in negative 1, before negative 1, I have negative 2. I'm going to test it out. Between 0 and negative 1, I will use 0.5. For here, I will just use 1, and here 5. So let's check to see the value of p of negative 2. And we'll just substitute negative 2 for the x in this given function. So this negative, and this is negative 2 times negative 1. Excuse me. I'm kind of ill these days. Negative 6. So this is negative 12. That's why this is the polynomial function is negative in this region. What about p of negative 0.5? And negative 0.5 minus 4. This is negative 0.5 times positive 0.5 times negative 4.5. There are 2 negatives, so if the number of negative sign is even, this is positive, therefore it's positive. You don't need to calculate this. You're looking for just the sign, so you can leave it like that. And p of 1, we will substitute 1 for the x, therefore this becomes 1 minus 4. So 1 times 2 times negative 3. This is negative 6. The sign is negative in there. And then lastly, we're going to check for p of 5. 5 times 5 plus 1. 5 minus 4. This is 5 times 6 times 1, which is 30, which is positive here. So in these regions, the value of polynomial function is positive. So if I will write, I'm going to write it in different color. Negative 1 and 0. Are we going to include negative 1 and 0? No, because it's only just greater than. P of x is just greater than. If this could have been greater than or equal to, then you could have included it. Now I'll just leave it like this. And 4, we're not going to include 4 either. Let me show you clearly here. 4, comma, infinity. So the correct answer we're looking for is choice D. When you look at it, choice A is really similar, but they included 0 and 4. That's why it's not the answer. These are not the answer. the choice, let me fix it here. Choice D is the answer we're looking for. This is how we solve this type of questions. These are the questions that we created just for you to practice. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.